Hello students, today we will start in the chapter sets, types of sets. Now there are four types of sets given in your book: finite set, infinite set, singleton set and empty set. And let us discuss them one by one. Now finite, the word finite means that which can be counted, which has a beginning and the end. Okay, so finite set also is a set that contains countable number of different members. That means you can count them. For counting we need a starting point and an ending point, right? So we can actually count the members of the set. If you can count them, then the members of the set are known as finite set. For example, here we have few examples here. Number one, A is the name of a set whose members are 1, 3, 5, 7. So it has a starting point 1 and an ending point 7. Alright. Similarly, example number 2, set of ocean is a finite set. Why do we say set of ocean is a finite set? These are the oceans. Okay, these are the oceans that we have around the world: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them. So I can count them. I can count the number of oceans of the world. So this particular set, which says set of oceans, is a finite set. Similarly here, example number 3. B is the name of a set whose members start from 2. Then next member is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14. If you see carefully, they are all multiples of 2. And the last value is 100. So there is a starting point and there is an ending point. And in between, there are some, most of the members are not written. Instead of that, there is a dot symbol over there, over here. Here, dot symbols are there. It means that all the members, instead of writing all the members, we have given dot. It means from 8 it extends till 100. This is how we write all the members of a particular set if there are lot of them. So here also there is a starting point 2 and there is an ending point 100. So we can count. So if we can count, if it is a starting and ending point, then it is called a finite set. Similarly, example number 4, you have C, the name of a set, equals to X is such that X is the capital of all the states of India. Now we have around 32 or 34 states and all the states have their capitals, right? So we have finite number of capitals that can be counted, capitals of all the states of India. So this particular set also is a finite set. Okay. Opposite of finite set is infinite set, a set whose members cannot be counted, okay, or contains unlimited number of different members. That particular set is called an infinite set. In this type of set, the process of counting members does not come to an end. When do you cannot count? When either the starting or the ending or both the starting and the ending points are not given to us, then we say that we cannot count them. Okay. For example, here some examples are given. Let us see these examples. Number 1, set of natural numbers. Natural numbers start from 1 and go on. There is no end. There is a starting point 1, but there is no ending point. It goes on till infinity. So set of natural numbers is an infinite set. Set of all points on a line segment. A line segment is made up of infinite number of dots, points. So that is also an infinite set. Set of points on a line segment is an infinite set. Number 3, set of stars in the sky. They are infinite set. Can you count the stars in the heavens, in the night sky? No. Okay. In the universe, actual universe that is there, the number of stars we see in the sky is not actually the whole number of stars. There are many more stars in the universe. You cannot count these stars. So set of stars in the sky is an infinite set. Okay. Next type of set is a singleton set. As the name suggests, single. There's only one element in that particular set. So a particular set who have only one element is called a singleton set. Like for example, here you have this particular set. You have opening bracket and then 7 is there and then closing bracket. This is a singleton set. Only one element is there within the brackets. Okay. Then the next one is empty set. Empty set is a set whose value cannot be formed. A set that contains no members is called an empty set. It is also called null set, and this is how you denote an empty set. You have opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket, and inside nothing is there. Or you have this symbol, okay, like a 0, and then you cut it from top to bottom. So both of these are symbols of empty set. So let us see some examples of empty set. Okay. Number 1. Set of trees 1 kilometer high. Do you know any tree which is 1 kilometer from ground to top? No, there is no such tree. So such a set is an empty set. So the symbol of empty set is given over there. You can see the symbol, that 0 thing here. It is cut from top to bottom. Then example number 2. If A equals to set of pupils more than 150 years of old in your class, then A is an empty set, and there again opening and closing brackets is there, and in between nothing. So do you know any student who is 150 years old in your school or in your class? No, there is no such student. So such a set is an empty set. It cannot be possible. The member of such a set is not possible, which have 150 years, a student having 150 years. Okay. Another example that I have given from my side, here it is. X is such that x belongs to natural numbers and x is greater than 1 and x is smaller than 2. That means the value of x is in between 1 and 2, and x should be a natural number. So do you know any natural number whose value is between 1 and 2? 1 is a natural number, 2 is a natural number. But between 1 and 2, is there any natural number possible? No. Only fractions are possible. Now fractions are not natural numbers. So this is also an empty set. Okay. So these are the types of set. Now we will do some exercises. Exercise 4D. You have these in your questions. You can take a screenshot of these. I have done it for you. Alright. So you can actually take a screenshot of this. Alright. Coming to question number 2. Which of the following are singleton set? Remember singleton set having only one member. So these are some of the questions. I have done it in the copy for you. Okay, here. First question is capital of USA. Is it a singleton set? First of all, USA has one capital, that is Washington DC. That we need to know. So one capital means one member. One member means it is a singleton set. Okay, so first number is a singleton set. Okay, second, mountain peaks more than 6,000 meters high. Okay, some mountains whose peak means top, which are more than 6,000 meters high. There are so many mountains. Okay, some of the names I have written over here. Okay, you can see these names. These are some of the names of mountains of the world which are more than 6,000 meters. And as you have seen over here, as you can see, there are 118 more mountains. Apart from those which I have written over here, there are 118 more. 118 more, that means that is more than one. So many are there in this particular set. So can it be a singleton set? No, not a single value, no? More than single value, so it is not a singleton set. And third number, men who have landed on the moon. Now there are quite a number of people who have landed on the moon, and I have written the names of those men who have landed on the moon, starting with Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin, David Scott, Charles Duke, Harrison Smith, and there are many more whose names I haven't included here. So it is, of course, as it looks, more than one member are there in this particular set. So it's not a single value, is it? So it's not a singleton set. Next, even numbers which are prime. Now 2 is the only even number. By the way, even numbers are multiples of 2. Remember, starting with 2, 2 and 2, 2 to the 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. And prime numbers are which numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself. So 2 is that number which is an even number, and it is the only prime among all the even numbers. So 2 is a prime number among all the even numbers. So single value means it is a singleton set. Okay, the third question is, state which of the following are null set or empty set. Now you have here 10 questions asked, and among them which are null set and which are not, we have to find out. The first question here, the set of women army chief in India since 1947. Now women army chief is a person who is the chief of army. Okay, we have the army, the navy, the air force. So the one who is above all in the army, this is called a chief of army, and there have not been any women since 1947 till now. Okay, so it's a null set. There have not been any women army chief in India, so it is a null set. Remember, null set means set whose value is not possible. So there's no woman army chief, so not possible means null set. Men over 300 years old. I don't think so there is any man who is 300 years or older than that, so it's a null set. Set of odd numbers divisible by 2. Odd numbers itself is a set of numbers which are not divisible by 2. So there is no odd number which is divisible by 2, so it's a null set. Set of teachers teaching you. You will of course know the names of those teachers who teach you, so it's not a null set. Cubes with 8 faces. Cubes are 3-dimensional figures which have 6 faces. They don't have 8 faces. There is no cube with 8 faces. Okay, so it's a null set. Days with 1440 minutes. If you calculate the number of minutes, 24 hours are there. 24, and each hour has 60. So 24 multiplied by 60, if you do, it will come to 1440 minutes. So it's not a null set. Days actually have 1440 minutes. So it's not a null set. Even numbers which are prime, we have already discussed. There is only one even number, 2, which is prime. Okay, so its value is possible. If value is possible, it's not a null set. Number 8, X is such that X is a person over 100 meters tall. Person over 100 meters tall, I don't think so there is any person who is 100 meters and taller than that. So it's a null set. Horses having 5 legs is also a null set. I don't know any horse which has 5 legs. Capitals of states of India. All states of India have their own capital. Okay, so it's not a null set. You will have the values of capitals of all the states of India. So it's not a null set.